So we just bought this storage unit. How much do we pay for it, honey?
$240.
$240. Let's see what's in it. All right. Wow. Right off the bat. Come on, be in here. Come on, baby. Yeah. And the wrapping. Oh, that's sweet. It's blue too. So this is in there. It's $50. Boom. You're gonna grab some totes. This is actually a really nice one, honey. This camera, $50 all day. After fees. What are those?
Decorative black.
Put them in there. This is actually a phenomenal unit.
They're from Italy.
Really? Yeah, definitely.
3 of them. What's that?
Graduation cap. So we'll get this back to it. Ooh. You know what this is? It's in here. PC. i3 3rd gen, so it's older. Terabyte hard drive. It's not bad. Okay. Yeah, it's in there. That's cool. You know, nothing major. $50. Well, that's $100. The plaques will call them $50. It's $150. Well, I think that's their graduation, isn't it? That's just a bunch of VHS.
Oh yeah, it's a cap and gown. Still in its thing though.
Oh, interesting. This is probably stuff you need to go through off camera. Yeah, I think this is better than I thought it'd be. Oh, sweet. I've been wanting a good pen set. And it has the ink. All right, well, stuff like this, we can just go through off camera. Oh, dude, guess what's in this without looking? Jewelry. Like jewelry, like a bunch. Wow. That's costumes still. Just right on top of a box, man. And actually, some of this stuff looks like decent stuff. Like, not like even if it's costume. There's a good $50 in costume jewelry. Of course, I'll go through it to make sure there's no gold, silver. Another thing of jewelry, honey. There's literally, just like this whole thing's full of jewelry. And it's all those old tablets. So far, it looks all costume, but costume jewelry still sells. What's up? That's marked. I'd say $30 in costume jewelry.
They had a phone from.
Oh, they have a bunch of old phones? Cool. Those flip phones sell, man. So I think we should, after this couple boxes, stop going through them and just start loading boxes and go through them at home. Another thing of jewelry. And I say costume, I don't know if it's all costume.
Down to Xbox.
Wow, already? Dude, show the camera.
4 phones.
Nice.
2 tablets.
Nice. So the Xbox controllers, $30 for both of them. Another 30 in jewelry, 50 in jewelry, and 30 in jewelry. Tablets, $10 realistically. I mean, there's just jewelry after jewelry. They must have liked their jewelry. Here's some pictures. Yeah, this is a darn good unit. So just so you guys know, I prayed on this unit and I asked God to me it's meant to be, we'll win it and I won't bid any more. And we got it for $240, I bid up to $250. So yeah, another $10 in jewelry. Oh, cool, don't take it out. It's in there. You know this is like $300 minimum. Suzuki PK37 keyboard in the box. At least $300. Wow. I bet this is a keyboard. Yep. Another keyboard. What? That's cool.
Oh.
Huh? This is a Yamaha PSR 31. So that's probably another $100, especially with the case. So, I mean, we're already at like $600-700, honey, and we've barely scratched the surface. Movie quarter, ha! Cool. An old video camera, probably $20-30. That's cool. This is a great unit. There's a trunk. I love them. Trunks. Oh, dude, it's full. That's okay. Donate it. Is it locked? Oh, man. It's full. I'll have to get it later. As much as I want to dive into it. This must be office. Oh, sweet. A bunch of CDs for a lifetime. Ooh, this is a mini disc recorder. Come on, baby. Oh, no, it's that camera. Another one of them. $50.
No, this says photos.
That's what's in it. Here's another $50. Another Sony camera.
Yeah, the one photos.
All right, cool. What's in these black mystery bags? Look in there. All right, look in here. For why, huh? Bathroom stuff. All right, why don't we start loading up? Ooh, for Daisy, cool. Here's a TV recorder, $30 all day. You want to start loading stuff or what? All right. You want to grab a couple more totes so we can put this key stuff in it. This isn't keyed. It's gonna get back that. Don't put it there, it's gonna be in the way. Move it over to the side behind the camera, please. So you're not happy we got this unit?
Yeah.
Really? In there? Wow. It's crazy, it's in there. That was just sitting in the front too. I didn't even see my photo. I guess I'm just trained not to look at them. What? Yeah, this is an awesome unit. And I guess where you can put, we can just bring the photos back, honey. You know what I'm saying? You think that's a good plan? Wow, this is just a trip. I want to open this one because it says master. Thank you notes. More jewelry, bunch more jewelry. Oh, that's old. That's cool. Oh, another full jewelry box. Little lockets. Oh, they were white people. There's like little kids. Oh, sweet. I love Jesus. Me too, buddy. Well, honey, I think this is better. Help me out. Would you push that up? Maybe AJ will be off Friday. Can help us. I doubt they'll be open. Oh, man. Whew. Watch out. This is heavy. Oh. Curious about this laptop. Huh. Not bad. Another $50 all day. Alright. I'd like to get all these type of boxes. Alright, so those two you probably combine into one. Set the photos aside and we take them in. VHS aside. Oh, records. A modern telephone system. It has call waiting. Cool. Princess Cruise. Alright.
This lady must have been.
Really? Do we have potential famous offer on our hands? What is it? Huh. And it's signed.
Her name
His radiant.
is on like these organizations and stuff.
Wow, that's cool. So, huh. That's cool, huh? Ooh, computer. Yeah, there's a computer in there.
TVs or
Yeah, did you put it into one? Oh,
I don't know if they'll fit. You think it'll fit more?
I don't know. That's what I was counting on you for, honey. If not, that's okay. Just put other stuff in it to make it, working space. You know what I'm saying? Oh, here's a flag in here.
There was another flag up here.
Here's more jewelry. So we'll take the flags to the VA out in Vegas. Does that sound like a plan? Ah! Huh? What's wrong? Got the last one of those boxes of that size? Okay. This one's pretty light, so we'll put that on top of something. This one's enough. Now why don't we get this one over here? Oh, that's all it's in there. Cool. Man, it's a great unit. Notice there's a washer and dryer. Those sell like right away. Oh, my bad. Oh, good. Put it on top. And then next time we'll remember to bring tape. It's not like we have a lot. You want to just carry that box? Now why don't we get the gray tub?
Different size.
Or of the gray ones?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Let's get the big gray ones. Did you look in this? Oh, Christmas ornaments. Good time of year, huh? Gotta be more careful. It's too heavy for you. You let me carry it there, at least help. We'll have to read that lady's book, right? I think someone got sick because I see a lot of like stuff for sick people. Oh, don't want that to happen. Oh, there's a coffee jar. Maybe it has coins in it. It does, yeah. Those guys, big ones. Heavy?
And that one's pictures.
Okay, the whole thing. Cool. This one says photo. Photos. Okay. So are these two?
Oh wow.
Yeah. So then this will be the last big one? These two? Alright, now then black and yellow.
So then pretty sure it doesn't have a tag, but it feels like it's inside.
Definitely put it in a new bed by itself.